Pairing the RT520RF to the RXRT520. On the receiver, ensure that both switches are set to auto and on. To start the pairing process, turn the unit off and on. On the RT520RF thermostat, press the Settings button to enter the menu. Press the down arrow button to access the pairing display. Press the tick button twice. The 10-minute countdown will begin. On the receiver, the red light will stop flashing and turn solid red. This indicates the two devices have successfully paired. To cancel the pairing procedure, press and hold the Settings button until the home screen appears. To test the connection, press the Settings button once. Press the down button to enter the pairing display. Press the tick button. Press the down button to enter the testing screen. Press the tick button and Testing 10 will appear on the screen. Both the red and green lights on the receiver will be flashing. Press and hold the Settings button to complete the process. The home screen will appear.